Hey, this is Mike with Riding in the Ozarks. We're over visiting a friend of mine, John, who has picked up this 85 Honda V65 Magna. You don't find these. He had to drive to a whole nother state. We're replacing some hoses and some parts. Got a coil pack issue and some rubber lines that are cracked and broke and things like that.
And of course, they don't make a coil pack for them anymore. So I eBayed them and found another set.
John came by this morning. He's got the V65 on the road. Right now he's going to put some air in the rear suspension because it's a little weak. It's only got 2.5 pounds and it calls for 6 to 10. Then we're going to take the little ride and we'll shoot a little video of it going down the road. That's got a little round gauge on it, but it's not as accurate, but it does have one. The Honda V65 Sabre was only manufactured in 1984 and 1985. When it was introduced, the 1100cc engine was rated at 121 horsepower. It has a 90-degree V4 engine design with dual overhead cams, 4 carburetors, and was shaft driven. In 1984, Cycle Magazine predicted that this motorcycle would go 0 to 60 in 3.04 seconds, and it would run the quarter mile in 11.2 seconds with a speed of 121 miles an hour. I read somewhere that theoretically in high gear at 10,000 RPM, it would run 177 miles an hour. We're not going to try and hit any of those speeds today, but hang around and we'll see if this 35-year-old rocket bike has any life left. My 2016 Street Glide has been dyno tuned and rated at 94 horsepower. I'm riding 2 up and coming in at a combined weight of approximately 1,200 pounds. John's combined weight on the V65 would be approximately 810 pounds. Having more horsepower and less weight, I'm sure I won't stand a chance in the race. But that doesn't mean it's not going to be fun to try and keep up. that was a lot of fun testing out John's barn find, but we didn't want to push it too hard. We haven't checked to see when the tires were manufactured, and we don't know how long it's been sitting in a barn on those same tires, but it hasn't been ridden on the street in quite a while. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you do that YouTube thing, go out and subscribe to the channel and hit that bell if you want to be notified when I drop a new video. As always, thanks for your support, be safe, and keep on riding.